Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today we are making an Italian coffee based dessert called Affogato. If you are a coffee lover, you definitely need to try this recipe. Let's begin with boiling some water for our instant coffee espresso shot. Now making an actual espresso shot at home is close to impossible. Simply because it is made by passing hot water through closely packed ground coffee over a very high pressure, and mimicking that at home is not that possible. So this is the best we can do. The measurements that we are using here is 2 teaspoon coffee in half cup of hot water. If you want to make it slightly stronger, add half teaspoon extra. Someone very rightly said, when you feel depresso, have a little espresso. Ha ha ha. If it's a bad joke, let us know in the comments. Now, simply add vanilla ice cream to a cup and pour the warm coffee over it. Do you know how would a day be without a coffee? I'm just kidding guys, I have no idea. Now shred some chocolate on top and there you have it. Your amazing looking coffee dessert Affogato ready in a jiffy. Do give this recipe a try. Until next time, stay safe and don't forget to drink your coffee. Bye bye.